Rachel's been eating for almost a week and she's getting so good at it. If you can't tell.
It's Daddy's fault, it's all over her face.
Do you like your oatmeal? Do you like your oatmeal, girl?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Open wide. Here comes a big one. Sweetheart, you gotta eat. Less camera, more spoon.
Say, Dad, I'm ready for my close-up.
Mm-hmm.
Like stern concentration.
It's important. Rachel, you ready? Right here, right here. Oh. Right here. Okay, ready? Open up, open up.
Today you are fabulous. Yes?
Okay, go.
What else do you have to say?
Well, you got the nice oatmeal smile.
It's all too fast, babe. Give her a minute.
Let me get the stuff off your chin. Okay, open up, open up. You okay?
Are you just about done? I love you. You're doing a great job.
Mm-hmm.
Really? What else do you have to say?
Ooh, a little burper.
Oh, you're done? Are you done? Oh.
Oh, now you're,
So many emotions.
you're tired now, huh? Okay.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.